Finding land to build on these days is actually getting harder and harder, especially closer to the city. You might be living in an area that you've kind of grown up in, or you've got your kids in school, work close to home, so a large renovation or a knockdown rebuild might be a viable choice. With a knockdown rebuild, as simple as it sounds, it's pretty much knocking the house down that's on the block to give you a level slate to clean to start from. Cost-wise, you might be looking between 20 or 30,000 to knock a house down and get it to that stage. On the flip side of that, a house raise renovation might be another option you can go down. Sometimes that is the only option due to the character overlays or council requirements of the building. And then in saying that, you can spend the 20 or 30,000 by lifting the house up, keeping the existing structure and keeping the value of the house on the block, which is a pretty good option. Once you do get it up in the air, you can pretty much double your living spaces downstairs and kind of progress, bringing the character of the existing dwelling down into the new parts of the building. The structural elements of a house raise involves the structural steel being installed when the house is being lifted. You've then got steel posts that kind of support the house above with a bit of temporary bracing until the wall frames are built. The slab itself is designed by the engineers, so it's more of a conventional slab system. Wall framing is very similar to a house design, but it includes probably a bit more bracing because you've got to support a fair bit of load up top. And then over this side, we've got a block wall, so that's actually a fire separating wall because the houses are so close together. It's a bit of a council requirement when they get the development approval as well, so that's that. If you are considering a knockdown rebuild, house renovation or house raise renovation, be sure to give us a call and we can discuss what's available to you and your property. Until then, take care.